Hi, my name's Daryl from the cattle shop. Just going to go through and make a halter, a rope halter, which is something I do with the kids when we go to the junior shows. They get enjoyment out of making the halter. They get to take it away, and yeah, something a skill that once you learn, you can keep it. So I use a 12mm rope, and for a breaking in halter, about 4.5 metres. I melt the ends. None of this splicing. We've gone a bit up-tech and being lazy. So, but if we're going to make a heifer halter, we use about 40 centimetres for our first measurement. So, get to the 40 centimetres. What I do, I twist the rope, pick up one strand, and then I get the end of the long end, and I put that through that short end and pull it tight. Well, tight enough so that it makes a small loop that the rope's going to fit through. So, but we need to lock that loop. So to lock that loop, I go to the long end, and I'm going to put that long end, the short end, through that long end. What that does, that locks that loop so it can't close up. If the animal was to pull back and this halter's on and the rope's through this loop and it pulls back, it will lock it on and we'll need to cut it off. So that was the easy bit. The hard bit is that we're going to now make 3 loops out of this rope. So what we do is we just twist, open up those strands, get to a point, and we push them all together and make 3 loops. Easiest way, our long end, our loop on the right, we put the going up all the way, put it through, pull it up, then bring it back down so we can go up through our second loop. Pull that tight, and those two will line up. Then actually bring it back down, pull it up. Sometimes it's easier to pull back on the rope. It gets a bit tight. You struggle with it, but then you've got everything lining up. And then pull that basically all the way through, and then our long end, we just put through the first loop we made, and we come up with our halter. Very simple. Look, I make it look simple because I've made thousands. But yeah, it's something that once you've learned it, the skill, it will stay with you. So hopefully you get something out of that. If you have a problem, give us a yell. I'll help you out.